Hi everyone, my name is Raji Islamiat. Welcome to the 2022 Bath Advent Calendar. Today I'll be presenting to you a study I carried out during my PhD program where we examined the role of fruit baths, ingestion, mastication, and gut passage on seed germination success and emergence of ficus species. Fruit bath provides various ecosystem services, of which one is the ability to help in dispersing seeds of many plant species. Although not all seed dispersers helps in enhancing germination, but fruit bat does. Fruit bats are also dietary specialists, and they have been reported to obtain their primary diet from fruits. There have also been several research that shows that they are regular consumer of ficus species, of which is an important plant species popularly called figs. Seed germination enhancement is a crucial factor in seed dispersal loop because they are necessary first stage of plant establishment. The timing of appearance of seeds in the physics of fruit bat depends on the time the fruit spent in their guts. Although some bats just takes in seeds and spat them out as masticated spats after sucking the juice of the fruit, while some take in the whole of the fruit and bring them out in their physics. But for the fruit bats, in which we use in our studies, the Warburg epilated fruit bats, they take in the fruit, that is the fixed fruit, and spat them out. Then occasionally it appears in their physics. For our study, we offered only ripe fruit of ficus species to each individual fruit bat within 48 hours of its collection. Then we allowed the fruit bat to feed on the fruit for 12 hours without disturbance or human intervention. Then we collected the seeds that appears in the physics and the masticated spats, and we planted them in pot soils without additive, concurrently with the seed in the control, that is the depop seed and the whole fruits. We planted them at the same time, and we observed their germination and their seedling emergence, watering them daily. The results shows that the fruit bat in our studies consume substantial amount of fruit presented to them of about 50% more than their body mass, which is in support with other studies that shows that fruit bat consumed relatively more than their body mass. For example, Jordan et al. 2012 reported that the epilated Warburg fruit bat in their studies consume about 110% more than its body mass. And Isaka et al. 1995 found that the Egyptian fruit bats in their study consumed about 150% more than their body mass when fed with Japonico fruit. We also found that the seeds ingested by fruit bats, that is the seed collected from their physics and the masticated spat, have high rate of germination, that is they germinated significantly higher, and they also emerges earlier than the depop and the old fruit. Also, it has been observed that fruit bats commute between feeding roost and fruiting trees. And for the Warburg epilated fruit bats, we observe that they change roost often. And when changing roost or when commuting, they defecate along the way, which means that there will be a good seed dispersers transporting seeds from one feeding roost to another and from one fruiting tree to another. And this could also lead to seed rains and also enhance gene flow. And also the fruit bat, Warburg epilated fruit bats, because of the relatively small size of ficus species, it's been reported that this ficus species seeds could stay in the lung of fruit bat for longer period. And they also traveled with these seeds for they also travel long distance foraging with these seeds, which means that they will help to carry the seeds to long distances. And this could help in forest regeneration, forest restoration, and also biodiversity maintenance. So our study shows the importance of fruit bats in seed dispersal, transportation, and also enhancing biodiversity maintenance. I hope we get this paper published soon for your wide read. Meanwhile, stay safe, keep well, and thank you.